Welcome! In this video, we'll learn how to use Excel functions to determine if text strings are shorter or longer than a specific length. First, let's input some data into our Excel sheet. We have two cells filled with text strings of different lengths. Now, we'll use the if function along with left, len, and trim to check if the text in each cell is shorter than 10 characters. In cell B2, we enter the formula, equal to if bracket open len bracket open trim bracket open left bracket open select value comma 10 bracket close 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 less than 10 comma double quotes short text double quotes comma double quotes long text double quotes bracket close. Press enter key for result. This formula checks if the length of the text in cell A2, after trimming any extra spaces and taking only the first 10 characters, is less than 10 characters. If it is, it returns short text, otherwise long text. Using Excel functions like if, left, len, and trim, you can efficiently analyze text lengths in your spreadsheets. Feel free to explore more Excel functions to enhance your data analysis skills.